Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to tag everyone in a group on Facebook. Let's begin the video. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Navigate to the group where you want to make the post. Now tap on the Write Something box to create a new post. In the text box, type and everyone. This will automatically tag all group members. After typing and everyone, continue writing the rest of your message. Once you are done, tap on post. And that's how you can tag everyone in a group on Facebook. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.